Hey everyone, it's Daz, and boy am I tired. I've been getting in a couple hours of practice before Nats. Tomorrow I'm leaving at around 10:30, that is in exactly 12 and a half hours, or close to 12 and a half hours. Actually, I'm leaving the house at around like 8:30. My plane's at 10:30 to New York, yes, New York, and then I'm driving to New Jersey from California. The plane's from California, New York. Hotel is going to be like, what, 20 minutes away from Liberty Science Center. 3 steps of 4x4 solve, that's kind of an average solve for me. I'm not very good. Got all my mains right here. I'm just going to go over them pretty quickly. Just get my backup 3x3 out of the way. Just Zanchi 57. I think this is my second speed cube ever with cubicle half bright, or not cubicle, sorry, CubeSmith half bright blue. I don't use this very much. I've been practicing with it just in case something happens to my main 3x3, but you know, it's just kind of there. I don't really use it that much. It's kind of just on my shelf over there, and I've got my cubes all packed in that bag. Yeah, my room's really messy. I recently cleaned my desk. I am kind of gonna renew it. Getting an actual camera with a tripod and stuff. That's gonna go here. I'm getting a good angle, kind of like this. A little bit better than that even. Getting a stack mat. Yeah, desk is messy. I'm gonna probably repaint it. Getting a stack mat, timer. Computer's gonna be here or there, depending on how I like it. So again, here or there, depending on how I like it. Maybe I might even put the camera here and the computer there. Stack mat here. So it's just gonna be good. I'll have updates on that soon. I did order a huge package, but I'm getting way off topic, so let's get back on my mains. Here we have WIT 2. Just change hands real quick. WIT 2, V1. Not very good, in my opinion. Doesn't really suit my turning style. Locks up a little bit. Or, not a little bit. It locks up a lot on me. That might just be my tensions. But I don't know, I am getting a Lingpo and a Feng Shui 55 at Nats. So that's that. 3x3 is, of course, the Oolong. With cubicle half bright blue. It's a very, very nice cube. I love it so much. It's just amazing. It's gotten me my first ever sub 10 single, first and only sub 10 single. That's awesome. 4x4 is, of course, the Osu. Mine does feel a bit kind of slow compared to others that I've tried. I did order way too soft springs, and they should be coming with that same package as the stack mat, as well as a bunch of stickers. So expect that unboxing soon, probably when I get back from Nats. It should be here. So yeah, that's awesome. So that's the Osu. Not much to say about that. OH Gen 3 V1, I believe. It is Tic Tac modded, so I have Tic Tacs in each edge. I don't know why. It's just kind of cool. We'll see if this is competition legal. I'm not sure, actually. I'm not sure. It is competition legal. I'm just not sure if they'll like let me use it in the competition because it's just so loud and distracting. So we'll see how that turns out. There we go. And then we have my Scube, just a Landman Scube, Florian modded. I do have torpedoes in here, but I'm not going to take it apart. It's amazing. It's hard to turn one-handed. It does pop on me even with torpedoes, and it does lock up on me fairly frequently. I did order a Shangsha Scube, but we'll see how that turns out. I'm not sure. Kind of, there's no like unboxings or like reviews of the Shangsha Scube on YouTube, so I'm not really sure how that's gonna turn out, but we'll see. So that's that. VCube 6. I'm not sure why it's here. I did accidentally scramble it when trying to get it out of a pattern, so I solved it. Actually, now I know why it's here, because I never actually bothered to put it back where it's supposed to go, so I'll probably just put it in that bag over there after I record this. It's taking way too long. I'm actually pretty tired. That's a box for a Panchi, which I'm getting everyone to sign. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Tomorrow I'm flying out. I'll probably make like an update video tomorrow morning or something like that, something along those lines. Yeah, really. That's all I have to say for now. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright, what's up guys? So, it's, what is it, 8:08 in the morning. I'm just packing up the last couple things. Mario kind of thing on the window sticky notes. It's kind of a bit gloomy outside, but it's alright. Yeah, my shelf is completely empty. Cubes there, mains here, scoop here. I just kind of glued back a torpedo. Timer, I'll just put that in the bag in a bit. But yeah, really, we're just gonna drive to the airport right now, fill you in if anything new happens. But yeah, I'll see you then. So I'm at the airport, I'm just practicing a little bit of 4x4, and I just so happened to break my PB single. So yeah, that just happened. Alright, it is 7:31 in the morning. We're about to head out, get some breakfast, and we're gonna go to Liberty Science Center for Nationals. Alright, so we'll see how that goes. Thanks. Alright, so we just got to the exhibit. We just got here, really. So, there's a giant Rubik's Cube here. There's just a bunch of stuff. There's the world's first Rubik's Cube. That's right there. That's cool. I can't believe I'm seeing it. There's a bunch of old Rubik's Cubes here. We're just gonna check it out. I'll probably record a bunch of videos along the way. I'll see you then.
That's my cousin's name.
Hold on.
There aren't that many Deans.
It's not in your Tic Tac cube?
No. Is this how you do it? Alright,
Wait, are there Tic Tacs in there?
Yep.
I have a Tic Tac
That's
cube.
really badass.
Alright, hold on. I gotta wait for it. Oh wait, Trace, here we go.
Alright, ready?
I'm inspecting as well.
This thing's sick.
Alright, I'm ready. And
Go.
wait.
Just showing off.
Show off.
I'm gonna race them.
Oh,
this one sucks.
I know.
With the new Rubik's
With
Man.
the Rubik's Man.
Here we go.
You ready?
Oh, come on, stop showing off.
Go.
Go.
Oh, you're trying to beat it one-handed?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm slowing away, so I don't know if I'm gonna beat it. Ah. I had the biggest pause ever. No. How fast is this thing?
This thing is a gym. I'm going back to look at her.
Go. 8 F moves.
I'm going to look at the prototype.
PLL. No! C-perm.
No. Yeah. Woo. Woo. Potato. Is he using pressurized air to do this?
Show off.
Sounds like. Get ripped.
What a show off.
Look at these. Oh, someone built this in the video. I saw someone build this.
Yeah, so that just happened. World's most expensive Rubik's Cube
Oh my god.
is within arm's reach of me, if the glass was in here. So yeah, this is the first ever Rubik's Cube prototype. That is awesome. And here's just some more cool Rubik's stuff. That is Josh. That is Dick Huber. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description. I haven't recorded many videos, but it's time for 2x2 now. See how I do. Ready.
By 2x2 heat 7 to the red stage. 2x2 heat 7 to the red stage.
472.
Here. Oh, wait.
Right here it is.
Oh, did they? Because he was right there.
No.
Four, 12?
What?
What happened here?
PBL messed up the PBL.
Okay. I was like,
I got a double bar PBL and I screwed it up.
oh, ouch.
Yeah, I had to
Ouch.
result
That's
first
what the
player. I did have a soon OLL, and then I did some as well. Alright, I'm ready.
I'm right here. Smoking.
Whoa.
Is that a skip?
I screwed up on, I screwed up on OLL. When I went to redo it, I actually got a PLL skip.
You're lucky. Hey, whatever works, man. That'll probably make you advance to the next round.
Here's my scorecard. Yeah, that 12 kind of sucked. Alright, well, we're done with 2x2. I did get a pretty good average, however, I did get a 12. That kind of sucked. Yeah, I got a double bar PBL, and I screwed it up. So I had to redo first layer. Yeah. Alright, so scuba's next, and it's about an hour, maybe. Alright, but I guess I'll make another video then. Let's see it. Alright, so it's almost time for scuba. I bought a new scuba. It's landline just like my other one was, but my other one was kind of broken, so I just bought a new one. So we'll see how scuba goes.
Brendan! To the blue stage.
I don't know what happened.
Let me know when you're ready.
Still works ready.
That's good.
What? I may have walked the corner.
Alright, I'm done competing for today. I have I have some stuff tomorrow. I actually have a lot of stuff tomorrow. I got pretty much my expected average. I'm just gonna hang out here at the competition, just talk to some friends, you know. I might record some stuff along the way. Alright. Oh, that's on video. Oh, that's awkward. Alright, it's day 2. Sorry I couldn't record much after competing. My battery almost died and I really couldn't get any more footage. But really nothing happened, nothing too interesting. So right now we're just gonna get some food and head to day 2 of the competition. Today I have 3x3, 4x4, one-handed. I didn't make scuba round 2. I did make 2x2 round 2. So I'm really happy. But we'll see. I'm not actually sure if that's today or not, but we'll see. Alright, we'll see you then.
One-handed heat.
I'm probably gonna fail, but time for one-handed. Ready.
I'm feeling cooked.
Well, I'm done with OH. I could have done better. I did get a 40. I'm really bummed about that. I had to wipe him into a corner twist. Yeah, I'm not that good at OH. I really got to work on my TPS. But yeah, next is 4x4. See how that goes.
Dude, he's a pen.
First official 4x4 solve.
We're like 35.
Frustrating that your head is like covers the light. Or like the shadow.
Oh.
Yeah. Alright, yeah. Okay, you ready?
No. Another 109.
8 seconds.
That's like 3 109s and I'm 110.
Said the phone is fine.
David, which one?
Heat 6 of 4x4 to the blue stage. Heat 6 of 4x4 to the blue stage.
Feeling you. Spencer, 5. James Christensen. David, 4. Oh, sorry.
No flash photography, please.
Oh, I didn't do that. Sorry. Jeremy, you're at 6. Thomas, you're up next at 2.
Ready?
3x3 heat 17 to the red stage. 3x3 heat 17 to the red stage.
Yes. Competition TV.
Last call for heat 16 on the blue stage.
Sorry, I just gave away the spot. You'll be next. Stay here. Hang on. Sorry about that.
Ready?
Jeffrey Caldwell. You ready?
Johnson Jones, Station A.
Could have been better. Still pretty good.
Ready?
No. What? Yay. So I just finished up 3x3 and I got pretty much my expected average. I wanted to get some kind of personal best average, or personal best comp average that I had before, 20.08. At that time I didn't know full OLL, I hardly knew any OLLs. But yeah, so I beat my PB average, I beat my comp PB single. So yeah, I don't think, wait, next I have 2x2 round 2, we'll see how that goes. Ready? No. Oh.
Haha.
I should have gone with +2.
Tim Long, 13.
2 seconds. Ready?
+2.
Two by two, heat 5 to the red stage.
Looks so bad.
How many people should bring up?
Yeah, terrible average, whatever. So the Cubicle decided to give me my package at the competition, so I'll just kind of be doing an unboxing. So I just picked it up and I put my shrink chest cube that I bought yesterday in there, so this isn't part of the package. Bag is empty. Oh yeah, I got this bag. 2 cubes, concave cube, shank chest cube. I'll get more information on this cube when I get back to my hotel. I'll probably make another video there. So I'm just going to set this cube aside. So just get right into the first cube, which is a Z concave cube. Stickerless. That feels really weird, honestly. Alright, let's get on the first turns, I guess. Oh wow, that is bad. It's very clicky. It's clicky, dry, and just bad overall. It's really tight. Yeah, those are bad tensions. Let's take a look at the mechanism, if I can get a piece out. Yep, that was easy. Yeah, it looks a lot like a Guhong mechanism. It's like a corner as well. Ah, there we go. Yeah, that's a Guhong. I'm probably gonna end up lubing that. Oh, got it. There we go. So yeah, I'll lube it in. The final thoughts, it should be a lot better. I got a bunch of lube. Let's have a quick look at this lube. Nozzle, 10cc weight 3, 5cc weight 3, silicone lube. Put this back real quick. Oops. Your peer is over here. Your peer is over there on that table. It was, at least. Alright, so, sorry about that. I got a mat. I got the SpeedStacks Pro bundle. So one of these things is a mat. So yeah, it's kind of hard to show on screen, but yeah, that's a mat. That's pretty cool. Let's see here. You got a timer in the Pro bundle. This is definitely going to replace my QJ timer. If this battery works, I hope, because my friends didn't. Yep, mine works. I don't know if it's supposed to do that. Pushing all the buttons. Oh. There we go, now it works. Alright.
fixed it.
Yeah, you just fixed it by looking at it, this guy over there. So that's cool. Yep.
Subscribe to Arsenal Cubing.
Yeah, subscribe to Arsenal Cubing, I guess. Don't subscribe on second thought. Then we have a bunch of stickers.
This is mine.
That's no, it's not. It doesn't
mine,
have.
I swear.
It doesn't have a logo. I bought a bunch of whole Rubiks. And then I have a bunch of stickers. A whole bunch of stickers. Yeah, that's a lot of stickers. Alright, so he's being such a nub. You have to unscrew the cap.
Stupid.
I've never
He's like, how does it go on?
Yeah. He tried to put the nozzle onto
I've only used crack.
Now you put it on.
He tried to put the cap onto the the nozzle onto the cap.
Didn't try.
Yes, you did. Are you kidding?
I saw it couldn't.
He succeeded.
He succeeded. Alright, so yeah, that's really the entire unboxing. I'll probably just review everything a lot better in the final thoughts, where it's like a little less loud. It's a little easier to review stuff.
Unsubscribe.
Thanks.
It's Josh.
Okay. Alright, thanks for watching this part of the unboxing. I'll record a second part at the hotel. Alright, see you guys. Selfie! That's on video. Oh, that's awkward. That is awkward.
We all know you're really
Selfie! Oh, it's on video. Oh, that's awkward. Okay, guys, I'm back, and I actually decided to lay off the video for home instead of making it at the hotel. So I'm just gonna kind of explain the story behind the Shang-Chi's cube. It's still in the box, it's unopened, and I'm not going to open it. So I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I'm going to be giving away a Shang-Chi's cube. Here's how this is going to work. You can comment down below once, and I will pick a random winner. Actually, I will pick 6 random winners, and each of them will get a 1x1. One of these will have a messed up color scheme. None of these have a messed up color scheme now, but one of these will. All 6 of you are going to get a 1x1 mailed to you. The person with the messed up color scheme has to send me a picture of them with the messed up color scheme. I will then send you the Shang-Chi's cube. This contest is not sponsored by anyone other than myself. So that's how the contest is going to work. I'm not really sure what else to say. I didn't record much on the last day of Nationals, so yeah, that's probably why there's not much footage of that. But yeah, really, other than that, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.